Children are a bridge to a brighter future. This holds true to present-day Swaziland. Youth make up over 60% of the country's population. Yet, Swaziland posted one of the slowest growth rates in the region. This presents a gloomy picture for the youth. Almost 1 out of 5 young people are unemployed. 75% of the youth have unsecured jobs compared to 48% of adults. TechnoServe is currently rolling out a program funded by the European Union. Our partners include Junior Achievement, with programs such as JA Company Program, which allows students to learn and experience business fundamentals. JA Economics for Success gives students the information needed to build strong personal finances, a cornerstone to a happy, secure life. JA Job Shadow prepares students to be entrepreneurial thinkers in their approach to work. We also work with Enectus from institutions such as Scott, Voktem, Sanu, Limkokwing, Uniswa Gwaluseni, Uniswa Luyengo, and Ngwane Teachers College. TechnoServe provides entrepreneurship training to all Enectus teams, and in turn, those teams roll out the training to the communities they work with. We also use the training of trainers methodology to train partners such as microfinance, faith-based organizations, vocational schools, youth groups, and developmental organizations. The idea of these training of trainers methodology is to then roll out the training to their beneficiaries in order to create sustainable impact. We realize that entrepreneurship is not a one-size-fits-all solution for all the challenges faced by the youth. It all starts with you identifying an opportunity and acting on it. Don't be a dreamer, do it. Your big dream needs you to take small steps, then make a big difference. Your future is in your hands. Make it bright.